Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install your Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K, so let's get started. First thing you want to do is plug in your USB to your power block here, and go ahead and plug that into a surge protector. And then what we're going to want to do is plug that into the actual Fire Stick. So plug that in, and then go ahead and plug it into your TV. I had to use the extender cable because my little slot there for the TV wasn't wide enough. So, use it if you need to, don't use it if you don't need to. So go ahead and plug it into an HDMI slot in your TV. And then that's just what it looks like. So just for, another view. And then what you want to do is go ahead and turn on your TV with your TV remote and go to the HDMI slot that you plugged it into. So for mine, it was HDMI 3. Switch over to that. And then what it's going to tell you is put in the batteries to the remote. So go ahead and do that. Once you do that, the Fire Stick should automatically pair to the remote. So if it doesn't, I've got suggestions for you. So go ahead and put the batteries in. And if it doesn't work, it should pair automatically, like quickly. And if it doesn't, hold the home button for 10 seconds and you'll see this blinking light. Give it about another 5 seconds and then the Wi-Fi screen should come up. So I was kind of messing around with the Fire Stick app and I think I actually installed the Wi-Fi there automatically instead. But this is how you get to it if you want to hook up the Wi-Fi. So, just put in your Wi-Fi SSID and then the password. And then if that doesn't work, what you want to do is, or if you can't get to the Wi-Fi screen, go ahead and unplug the Fire Stick and plug it back in, and then it should work. So once that happens, this screen should pop up. So what you want to do is hit the home button, and then there was a blinking light at the top, so now it's synced to the remote. So go ahead and hit the play button now. Once you do that, then choose a language, so English for me. And then it's going to check for updates. So let it download updates, which I pretty much can guarantee you it will because it's going to be outdated. So wait for that to go through. And then it's going to come up with your account. So basically, what you want to do is link it to your account when you're buying it. So this check mark here. And you can also do it on the actual page under the add to cart. So once you do that, then it makes it easier, this part. So go ahead and just click continue because it's already set up with our account. And then restore Fire Stick, no, we want to skip because this is our first time installing it. So you can just skip this. And then parental controls, if you have kids, yes or no. So we did no. And then it's going to prepare the remote for setup. So basically what it's going to do now is sync the remote to your TV. So click OK. And then basically what it's going to ask you to do is push the volume up and down buttons on the Fire Stick remote. So as you can see, it's working for me. So now I can click yes, that the remote is paired to the TV. And there you go. It says it's okay. So now you click continue and it's going to load. So this is just basically an ad. So no thanks for us. And if you want to add streaming services now, you can. We did no thanks because we're going to do that later. And this is just information. So you can just click got it. And there you go. Oh, so if this is going to be an ad that you have to skip through, just giving you kind of information on how to work the Fire Stick. So go ahead and skip through that and then set up a profile, which should be your account already set up, or you can add a profile and then you're in. And that's how you set up the Fire Stick 4K. So if you thought the video was helpful, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.